and go.
Alright guys, we're back at it again. One of you guys wanted a video of the rear door handle, how to remove it. I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. I can do it in probably a minute, but I gotta slow down so it makes sense. So open the door. In here, right here, you grab a little pick right in here. If you open this little door, there's a screw in here. There's one more in here. You guys can see that. One screw in there, one screw in here. So, take this screw out. We'll take this screw out. You get a magnetized screwdriver tip, it's easy, they come out. Just put it somewhere you can get to it. Those are out. You gotta take this wood switch pack out. Alright, there's a little spot right here. You see it? Your flathead. You stick it in here and pry up on it like this. And then slowly just pull on it. You might break a tab or two depending on how old it is or how cold it is, but if you slowly massage it, these guys, and there's that little clip with a screwdriver to pop it open and you stick it right here. So after that, just massage it out. These guys will all come out, and then use your flathead and push on this tab and pull it out, because I can't get my finger in it to push on this. So I use my flathead. Pull that out of the way. Now there's two more screws right here. One right here, one right here. There's a screw right here. There's a screw right here. I'm gonna take these guys out. One, two. Now all the screws are out, and we need to take this guy out. If you pull this to the side this way and then towards you like this. Oh, someone already broke it. And I just broke the rest of it. What not to do. What you're supposed to do is pull this way, and then pull this way a little bit and get in here with a flathead screwdriver and pick or something and push on this to pop it out. So grab the clip remover and go pop one out off that car. Got a little lip right here. If you pull on it, see how just boom, the clips, everything came out. Since you got this, out, slide up. The reason why we took this off, took that off, so we can slide this thing up one side like this. Just kind of work it, it'll come out. Make sure the window stays, the glass is up, not all the way down, because you're not gonna be able to access anything over there. Come in here. So in here, you got these two guys right here. If you just push up and push up, they just somehow seem to just come out. Don't worry about how they go, because they can only go in one spot. But that's how I take the door panel off. I haven't destroyed it. These are the clips holding the panel in. These guys. So